One of the most convenient ways to walk through the members of an array is the for each loop, also known as an enhanced for loop. And what it does is it takes care of just executing that loop or the statement within the loop once for each member in the array. So basically it's just the for keyword, right? We have parentheses, but rather than having explicit conditions or array initializations, we actually just put the array in there, preceded by a colon, and then we declare a variable to hold an individual array member. And then we can walk through the body of our loop. It will go through once for each member of the array. And it takes care of handling the details of getting the length of the array, as well as accessing each of the values. Later in the course, we'll see that a for each loop can also work with other special data types other than arrays, but of the types we've talked about so far, arrays are the only thing it works with. Now to see it in action, imagine we have this scenario again where we've got an array of values. In this case, we've got 3 values, 10.0, 20.0, and 15.0. And we want to sum them up just like we've done before. Well, rather than writing that explicit for loop where we set up an index variable, increment it ourselves, keep testing its condition, with the for each loop, we can just set up the for, say that, well, I know that array has floats in it, have the colon, and then we have the vals. We simply have the array name there. And now, inside the body of our loop here, we can simply say sum plus equals current val. And what will happen is that the first time through that loop, current val will have a value of 10.0, which would make sum 10.0. Next time we come around the loop, current val will have a value of 20.0, making our sum 30.0. Next time through the loop, current val will have a value of 15.0, making our sum 45.0. So we would print out 45.0.